Most Canadians don't realize that they can double their wealth with a simple financial move. Imagine a financial strategy that not only secures your future, but also offers the freedom to seize opportunities as they arise. Let me introduce you to the concept of infinite banking and how it can help you build your wealth. Hi, I'm Gregory Rozdeba, the CEO of Dundas Life. Over the last few years, I've had the privilege of helping hundreds of Canadians secure their financial legacy with life insurance and infinite banking. At Dundas Life, we're driven by a mission to make life insurance accessible online and empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to achieve financial success. Today, we're diving into the concept of infinite banking, a unique financial strategy that can serve as a powerful alternative to traditional banking and investing methods. We'll explore how the strategy benefits individuals, business owners, and investors, all while addressing common misconceptions. In the meantime, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial content for Canadians. Let's start with what infinite banking actually is. At its core, infinite banking involves using an overfunded participating whole life insurance policy as a versatile financial tool. This type of life insurance policy includes something called a cash value component that grows over time. Now, when we talk about overfunding a whole life insurance policy, we mean paying more into your policy than the required minimum premiums. By doing this, you're accelerating the growth of your cash value, creating a larger pool of money you can access sooner. This cash value grows through dividends provided by the insurance company's participating account. You can borrow against this cash value using a policy loan, often allowing you to borrow up to 80 to 90% of the cash value. This allows you to access funds for investments or major financial purposes without sacrificing growth. However, it's important to know that the cash value of your policy depends on how you structure it. Now, let's dive into some of the key benefits of infinite banking in Canada. First up, the tax advantages. In Canada, the cash value in a participating whole life policy generally grows on a tax-deferred basis. If structured properly, you can borrow against the policy tax-free. This lets you reinvest those tax savings into other projects or investments. It's a powerful advantage that can help you reach your financial goals faster, especially if you're focused on protecting your family's financial future or seeking smarter ways to grow your investments without unnecessary tax burdens. Next, let's talk about liquidity. Imagine needing money urgently to renovate your home, cover unexpected medical bills, or even seize a great business opportunity. But instead, you're stuck waiting for days or even weeks for bank approvals. With infinite banking, you can borrow against your policy without selling off assets, triggering taxes, or missing out on potential market upswings. The policy loans typically arrive in a matter of days. For business owners, this can be a lifesaver when you need to cover short-term expenses. For individuals, it offers a ready reserve of funds for emergencies or major purchases without derailing your overall financial strategy. 3. Wealth building potential. What if your money could work for you in two places at once? Your premium dollars grow inside the policy at a steady rate. Meanwhile, you can borrow against the policy's cash value and invest in something else, perhaps a rental property, a new business venture, or diversified stock portfolio. Essentially, your money is working twice, once in the policy itself and once in the external investment. It's a tactic that can accelerate your wealth building process. Over time, you pay back the policy loan and replenish your borrowing capacity for the next opportunity. As an example, take Sarah, a small business owner who wants to expand a growing bakery while exploring real estate. She set up a participating whole life plan and funded it diligently, building a strong cash value of $150,000 over a few years. Eventually, Sarah borrowed $100,000 against that balance for a down payment on a modest rental condo, all without tangled bank approvals or losing personal savings. Meanwhile, the policy kept earning dividends, meaning her funds effectively worked in two spots at once. Now, Sarah collects monthly rent and sees her original coverage continue accumulating wealth. 4. Built-in life insurance benefits. Most people see life insurance as an expense, but what if I told you it could be the foundation for building your wealth? The policy offers a death benefit that protects your loved ones or business partners should anything happen to you. This built-in security is great for people who want both long-term financial stability and the peace of mind that comes with knowing their family or business is protected. In Canada, life insurance payouts are tax-free to beneficiaries, so along with the living benefits of infinite banking, you're also creating a legacy for the next generation. Now that we've covered the key benefits, let's discuss who infinite banking is really for. If you're someone looking for more financial control, it might be just the solution for you. This includes Canadians with long-term goals, like paying for education or funding retirement, who want stability, flexibility, and to leave behind a sum for their loved ones. It also helps business owners needing quick capital without high interest rates or cumbersome bank approvals, all while protecting their families or businesses. For investors with real estate, stocks, or private equity, infinite banking can supercharge wealth building by letting you borrow against your policy while it continues to grow, effectively earning returns in two places at once. Now, if the strategy is so powerful, why isn't everyone doing it? Here's what most people get wrong. Infinite banking isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that requires discipline and commitment. Unlike conventional investments that promise immediate returns, infinite banking is about building a solid financial foundation that pays off over time. Also note that not all whole life policies are created equal. It's important to work with an experienced advisor who knows how to structure the policy for infinite banking. If your policy isn't set up properly, you won't enjoy the maximized cash value or the flexibility that you're expecting. At Dundas Life, our advisors offer personalized guidance to ensure you understand exactly how infinite banking can benefit your situation. If you're ready to explore whether infinite banking could be right for you, whether you're an individual, a business owner, or an investor, click the link in the description below. Book a call today and get a free personalized assessment to see if infinite banking is right for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an opportunity to learn about smarter financial strategies. Infinite Banking in Canada offers a unique approach to securing your financial future. By leveraging tax advantages, liquidity benefits, wealth building potential, and built-in life insurance, you can turn your insurance policy into a powerful financial tool. And at Dundas Life, we're committed to helping Canadians cut through complexity so they can make informed decisions. If this video helped you today, hit that like button and let me know what you've learned in the comments. We have more insights and tips on the way, so stay tuned. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to join us on our journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.